nandyan ka pala. Andito na naman ako. And yeah, it has been a while since I've done an unboxing with all of you guys here on YouTube. So I just received these two packages. Yes, two packages. They just arrived. It's already like almost 8 o'clock here, but I guess USPS, they're delivering all the way until 8 p.m. now. Unlike before, you usually would receive them by 4 in the afternoon. But yeah, I have two boxes here and we're gonna open it together. So as I have already shown with you guys, I do have these two boxes, one big one and one smaller one. We're gonna open the smaller one and save the big one for last just because. But so this one came from, Sean, what is MA?
Massachusetts.
Oh, Massachusetts. Yeah, I'm bad with my states because, yeah, anyways. So this is from Cambridge, Massachusetts, from Bonnie Lay. Nice packing. And this one I got it actually from Facebook group, like always. So yeah, I think you already got an idea of what it's gonna be as per my shirt. Let's open it. I like it. It's so fluffy. So she packed it really well with this fluff. And ta-da! Oh, a little bit sad, but it's okay. This is the Hoya Gensis. I think I'm pronouncing it, I don't know, but I wanted this Hoya for a long time. Ever since I saw Summer Rain Oaks video of this Hoya lady all the way in Europe. What she? I forgot which country, but you know what I mean. Like, I know you guys recognize the lady, the one that I'm talking about. But anyways, the way she says the name of this Hoya was just like a music to my ears. So Hoya Giensis. But she said it way better than me. But anyways, I got this and I'm just so glad that she actually posted this 40 hours before I saw it, and then I commented sold and I got it. I guess no one really cared about Giensis except for me. And it is a rooted cutting. I see roots there. So I'm gonna put it straight up to leca. Maybe it's a little bit wrinkly as dehydrated, so I'm gonna put it back in the sphagnum moss until later when I open the next box. So Hoya Giensis. Mouthful there. Thank you very much, Bonnie Lee. I think it's Lay, there's one E. And then this one is from dirtyrootsma, Massachusetts too. Oh, both of them are from Massachusetts. Now I get the MA on her handle. I always just read it as dirtyrootsma, like mama, like a plant mama. But anyways, Dirty Roots, she does have a lot of those codex plants. This one, I actually bought this on the night of my birthday. And it's finally here. This is not a Hoya, but it's a plant. Oh. This is new. Good thing I look with. I'm gonna get it. She got stickers now too. My daughter likes the stickers, so I think I'm gonna give this to her, or I don't know what to do with them, but stickers. And Dirty Roots Glass Art. She does have another account, the Dirty Roots Glass Art. I guess I'll just gonna insert the name, and then I get the 10% off for my next glass art purchase. Oh, more stickers. There we go. So we got 3 stickers. I love the hibiscus the most. We call it gumamela in Tagalog. And we make bubbles with the leaves. Well, I just realized that we use the leaves more than the flowers. I thought we were using the flowers back then. But going back to this plant, I don't know what to do. I'm excited. Let's just see. So I I did say that my gift to myself was the philodendron Yopi. But of course, when I saw this on the night of my birthday, look at this, Sean. It's cool, huh? This is a what are you? This is a Huperzia carinata. Okay, I've never had a Huperzia before, but look at that, like mermaid hair. I'm gonna maybe my thumbnail this. But yeah, Huperzia. I know this one loves a lot of humidity. I do have my IKEA greenhouse. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here. Go watch it, and then maybe you might wanna give your IKEA glass cabinet an updo for plants. But yes, Hoya Huperzia. Huperzia carinata. So yeah, check out dirtyrootsma. I'm still gonna call her dirtyrootsma. Because yeah, I guess my hair just has gotten better. Well, you guys, I'm just gonna settle these plants in. So this is what I end up doing with my Huperzia carinata. Let's open it up. So I just use the nursery pot that I already have, because I do have a bunch of them, and then got nursery wire or gardening wire, stuff it up with sphagnum moss, and I cut some slits, almost kind of copy a net pot, just for promote airflow. And I cut the bottom, stuff it in there with some sphagnum moss, and ta-da! I hope it will be happy here, because the humidity does go up here. Like at the moment it's 69%, but it does go up to 80%. So we shall see how it goes. Let's go back to the video. I hope you guys enjoyed another unboxing with me. It has been a while. I have slowed down with buying plants, because yeah, there's a lot of them already at home. But anyways, hope you guys like it. Just like what I said earlier, follow us on Instagram at Julians_plant_corner. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, please do subscribe. And if you want to share my my YouTube channel to your friends. And yeah, kita tayo next time, and may you always be blessed.